At siguro sa karamihan sa atin ay nagtatanong, ano ba yung million peso march? No? Kaya kami nandito ngayon is para ipaliwanag sa inyo at kung ano yung mga objective at yung mga gusto nating gagawin sa mga susunod na mga araw. Okay. So throughout our national history, Club Pilipino has witnessed the multiple pivotal moments of transformation. It was here where former President Corazon Aquino took her oath as a symbol of people power in 1986. The facility became the gathering point for citizens who fought against dictatorship, corruption, and other important events. The Trillion Piso March movement will rise again in the same historic building where it all began. The movement brings together from diverse backgrounds to fight against massive corruption. Not millions, not billions, but trillions stolen from the people. The organization operates as non-partisan. So wala kaming color, wala kaming kinikaligan, kundi lahat na may mali ay aming tutugusin. To create a nation based on honest governance, integrity, and fair treatment of citizens. Ano ang aming mission? Ang aming mission ay nakano sa tatlong layunin. Una is to demand accountability. Pangalawa is to protect public trust. At ang pangatlo is to establish good governance. Objectives. Our objective is to unite the people, pagkakaisa ng bayan, citizens, clergy, faith communities, workers, students, professionals, civil society, and marginalized groups speaking as one voice for reform. Pangalawa is to expose corruption, investigate and disclose misuse of public funds, and abuse of power across government. Pangatlo is to empower the citizen, educate Filipino about corruption, and provide tools to resist it. Pangapat is to demand justice, support fair investigation, open procedures, and recovery of stolen funds from the people. Panglima, advance systemic reform, push for lasting changes in the government, election, and financial system to corrupt cycle. Pang-anim is to sustain the movement, building enduring networks that protect democracy and national integrity. Mamaya, ipapaliwanag namin kung ano pa yung mga actions na ating gagawin sa mga susunod na mga araw. Our message, thief of our future through corruption, stand as a major problem. We march because of this reason. We walk for transparency, truth, justice, and accountability. The Trillion Piso March movement begins today at Club Pilipino to demonstrate how collective action can lead to transformation. Maraming salamat sa inyo.